Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about
Yeah,
you?
I am doing very well. Everything is going on very well. My practice is going on very well. Yeah, in the morning time, I am moving here and there in the field area. You can see. And right now, maybe
Yeah.
you are moving in the field area, or you,
Not. I'm on my terrace and I'm moving on my terrace.
yeah. And sir, how is your practice going on?
Actually, I when I did a conversion last time, from that day onwards, I did not consistent in this application, but I thought I should consistent on my English, so that's why from today onwards I started like again conversations with people. So you are my first call learners and call,
Yes.
yeah.
And sir, as far as I remember, you have a one YouTube channel. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a
And
YouTube channel.
how is the channel going on?
Actually, that is not going very well because I even on my YouTube channel I was not consistent. So if in every field, whether that is YouTube or any field, if you are not consistent, then how do you will get result, right? So that's
Yes.
why I am not getting some views on my YouTube channel. And,
Yes, yes. Actually, consistency is very important. Yeah, in every sector,
yeah.
for practicing purpose, for your YouTube channel. Yeah, always you have to always you have to upload the video on your YouTube channel, and always you have to practice for your English speaking journey. Consistency is very important.
Right.
All right, sir. I know about yourself because I have made this kind of video with you, maybe two or
Mm,
three times. And sir, before
yeah. Right.
starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves so that we can ask few questions about ourselves. So first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Gautam Saw and I'm from Odisha. And if I talk about my qualification, then I have done my intermediate in 2024, and right now I'm doing my graduation second year in my nearby college. And my hobbies are playing cricket, listening to music, and watching movies. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yes, yes, it's a wonderful introduction. But I like always playing cricket and football, but nowadays I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. Yeah, because
Yeah, yeah, because you have responsibilities of your house, you have to take responsibility. So yeah, in this age you will do not get time. But when you once like earning money, so we have to we have to take time to play cricket or any type of physical activity game, so that we
yes, you're
can
right.
yeah.
Yeah, I work in a hospital as an assistant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And I have to do
Yeah.
shifting duty in the hospital, morning, evening, night. There is no fixed time. That's why I
Mm-hmm.
am very busy. And being a family member, I have a lot of work in my family, and I am learning this
Mm-hmm.
language as well as also I am running my YouTube channel. That's why I am very busy right now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, right. And okay,
And sir,
so how long? Yeah, continue,
yes,
continue.
yes, ask me.
Okay, so how do you are managing your time? How do you are making conversation with people, having conversation with people, and editing them, and and uploading them on your YouTube channel, sir?
Yes, yes, it is so difficult for me because yesterday I went to the night duty in the morning time. Actually, I came back home around 7 a.m. at my house, and after coming back, I saw in this group there are three-person. They send the message. Yeah, they send the message. I will make a conversation video with you. I also give the time around after 10 or after 10:30 a.m. But I saw your message. You also send the message in the group. Yeah, who is free? And I thought, yeah, I will make video with you because I did not make any video with you for a long time. That's why
Yeah,
I started making the video with you. Actually,
yeah,
whenever I get free time, I always try to make this kind of video. I know very well practice is the most important key. Yeah, always you have to practice.
yeah. Actually, right. Every day, if we have 1 hour or 30 minutes for our English, then it would be very good for us, not others, right? If we practice English, then that is for us, not for others. So we have to give time to our English because in our 24 hour, if we like try to give 30 minutes, then we will definitely can give. If we do not think to give, then that would be not work. Everything depends
Yes.
on our mindset.
Yes, you're right. Yeah, and when I don't make any video every single day, at that time I
Hmm.
thought maybe I I don't do anything. Yeah, maybe there is
Hmm.
and every single day maybe I make this kind of video. Otherwise, I make another video, another audio call. Yeah, I know very well
Hmm.
practice is the most important key. And if I practice every single day 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it is enough for me. And consistency is very important. And if I make this video today and after 3 or 4 days, if I don't make any video, that is not good. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Right.
And
Okay.
sir, you are,
So.
yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Ask me. Ask me.
you are from Odisha.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Where do you live in Odisha? Village area or town area?
Actually, I'm from a village area people, but for because of my studying, I was staying. Sorry, I am staying right now in a town area.
Yes, yes. and you have right now you are studying, you are pursuing your graduation, but in which subject?
I'm pursuing my graduation in art stream and Odia literature.
Literature. And during your study, when you were studying in the class 8 standard, 9 standard, or maybe 11 standard, at that time did you like the English subject in your study?
Actually, actually, when I was in the ninth class, from that time onwards, I was like to know I was trying to speak English. Trying to speak means I was dream to speak English, but at that time there was no any idea about English, and I was not aware about in these applications where people will connect to each other and practice. So there are so many ideas which I did not have on that time. So that's why I did not practice on that time. But when I crossed my intermediate level, graduation first year, then I got some chance from my brother or some YouTube channels, and then I joined in these groups where I connected with so many people through their help. I learned English over this period of time.
Yes, yes. And sir, why did you think you have to learn this language? I mean, why are you learning this language and why are you using this platform? Is there any specific reason in your life for learning this language?
Actually, to learning the language, there is no any specific reason because reason means nowadays if you take which language is very important, then everyone should say English is very important because which work you do everywhere English is very important and as well as to get confidence in every field. English is main important because if you know English, then you will feel very confident as compared to other people, right? And if I know this language, then I can do conversation with every country people, and as well as it will help to me to do better in my exams because nowadays in every exam you see every exams you only get English questions, and even we have to write answers in English. So if I know this language, then I would get so many good profitable for me. So that's why I'm learning this language.
Yes, yes, it is wonderful. Yeah, and nowadays English is an international language as well as the communication language to communicate each other, to communicate other country of people. English is necessary. English is needful language. Yeah, on the other hand, English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, first of all, the interviewer asks the question in English. That's why nowadays English is very important. And sir, nowadays in my locality there are so many English medium school, and most of the guardian, most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. But during my study there was no English medium school. My all study was Bengali medium school. Yeah, and during my study I did not like the English subject. At that time I was very weak English subject, At that time, I did not know how to make a sentence in English properly. But nowadays also, I want to become a good English speaker. Yeah, that's why I'm learning this language.
Yeah, right, right. And even you are speaking so well,
Yes,
because you are like I see that you are very consistent in this application as compared to other, and that is very good, I would say. Whether you like your purpose is that to make video and upload on YouTube channel, but along with that you are like become very consistent on your speaking journey, and that's why you are improving day by day.
yes, yes, you're right. Yeah, I always try to make this kind of video. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. A few minutes ago, you have told me you like playing cricket and football. And yeah, nowadays, do you play cricket or football?
Yeah, nowadays also we play cricket and not football, we play only cricket.
But when do you play? In the afternoon time or in the morning time?
On in the morning time we are playing cricket nowadays.
In the morning time.
Yeah,
And in which time do you get up? Do you get up early in the morning?
I wake up at 5 o'clock early in the morning time.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I get up early in the morning around 4:30 a.m. and I go for morning walk every single day. Yeah, after completing the morning walk, and I came back home around 6:30 a.m.
Okay, sir. I want to say something that yeah, if you are making videos and uploading them on your channel, so I can help you one thing. That is, tell me some like topics every day, and we will discuss on that topic. I will prepare on that topic, and we will discuss over that topic, and you will make and you will upload that videos on your channel. Because of that, I will practice my English, and as well as you will make your videos. So everything will be profitable for us, right? So
Yes, yes,
how is it?
yes. You're right. You're right. Yeah, if we make the video with any topic, new topic, we are improve our English skill. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So how do you will like choose topics? Can you give me your WhatsApp number?
Yeah, you can send the message through this application. Otherwise, I will. If you want to my phone
Okay.
number,
So you
definitely I
have
will. I will give the my number.
okay. 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 Sure. The message box we will talk to each other about. Okay. Because right now the video is recorded.
Yes. And do you use any WhatsApp group?
Not. I have no any WhatsApp group where I
Yeah, many
connected to people.
many of learner they always use a WhatsApp group. Yeah, but I don't use any WhatsApp group.
Not because there are so many like people who are there. They're always trying to message and always send unusual messages and photos. So that's why I did not join on the WhatsApp group.
Yes, yes. And sir, you are from Odisha, but in which place do you live in Odisha? Because last few months ago, I went to the Puri. Puri, Puri is the famous place in your state. I
Yeah,
went to
yeah,
the Puri.
right.
And where do you live? How
Uh,
far is your house from Puri?
my house, actually, we are very far from Puri. We are staying in south part of Odisha, which is very near to Visakhapatnam or Andhra Pradesh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
And how many languages do you know? Udia is your native language. Yeah, am I right?
yeah, Odia, yeah. And English and Hindi we can speak, and a little bit Telugu.
Telugu.
Yeah, these four languages.
Yes, yes. And sir, you are doing your graduation. Maybe you have a lot of friends in your college. And do you have any friends who is speaking English?
No, everyone everyone will try to speak English. Yeah, they can speak little bit, not very fluent, but they will not speak often. So yeah, I have no any friend who speak with me in English. So that's why the practice of English in Skype or CB applications that become very important for me.
Yes, yes. And in your locality, do you have any members? Do you have any friends in your locality who is speaking English?
Not sir. No one. Yeah, there will be people, but I have no any contact with them. Only I'm speaking and practicing through these applications.
Yes, yes. Yeah, actually, I belong to West Bengal. Yeah, I belong to village area. There is no good English environment. No one speak English in my locality, and No one speak English at my house. Yeah, that's why for learning this language I had to face a lot of problem. Actually, environment is very important. If there is a good English environment at that place, you can learn this language very easily. Yeah, environment is very
Yeah,
important.
right.
And so nowadays, how much time do you practice every single day?
And actually, from today onwards, I thought to practice English. So I have, I'm thinking that I'm thinking that I will practice at least for 45 minutes every day.
Yes, yes. And sir, earlier, did you join any coaching center? Did you go anywhere?
Not I have not joined any coaching center, but I have a brother who taught me English. We can say that is also coaching center like, but that is not a coaching center. He taught me English. So after that, everything which I did, that's all depends on ourselves because they can only teach us grammar and the way they can only show the way and everything depends on ourselves. We have to practice. We have to listen. We have to read. That's all thing we have to do.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I didn't go anywhere, always staying at my home and using my smartphone. I am learning this language. Yeah, nowadays social media is available. According to and in my point of view, if you want to learn this language, no need to go anywhere. Always staying at your home and using your smartphone, you can learn this language. And if
Yeah.
you search on the YouTube or Google, you can get so very easily.
Right.
Yes. And sir, I would like to ask another question to you. I asked this type question to so many learner. And what do you think? Is English grammar is important only for speaking English?
Actually, English grammar is important, but every English grammar is not important. There is only six or seven or five grammars will be important, like tense, modal verbs, causative verbs, and form of sentence. Because these are the main important thing. We cannot like tell that that's not important. So yeah, if we know the things, then it would be very good.
Yes, yes. Yeah, in my point of view, basic English grammar is important because in my locality, in my country, there is no good English environment. That's why basic English grammar is important. And
Yes.
if you don't have any knowledge of basic English grammar, what is the present tense, what is the past tense, and maybe while speaking English, you make big mistakes. Yeah. And after
Yeah.
learning English grammar, when you speak English, at that time you speak English correctly and perfectly.
Yeah. So grammar is also important, but not every part, right? We should know
Yeah.
basic grammar about English.
Yeah. And who is beside you?
And that's my brother. Uh,
And have you taken your breakfast?
saying hi.
Yeah, yeah.
Not yet.
Yes, yes. Yes, I
Okay,
have
brother.
taken. Yeah.
Actually, I have to go college, so I want to be prepared and I have to be ready. So we will connect in the evening time if you will be free.
Yes, yes, definitely. Why
Mm,
not? It's
Miss
all right. It was a wonderful conversation with you. Yeah, you are also
you.
speaking English
Yeah.
very well. That's why I connect with you, and after connecting with you, I learned so many things. All right, it was a nice conversation with you. Thank you for giving your
Yeah.
valuable
It
time.
doesn't.
Nice to meet you. Take care.
Okay,
Bye bye.
sir.
Have a good day.
One thing, sir. One thing I want to
Yes,
say to you. Uh, yeah, you can share me that download link, right? So please
yes,
share
yes,
me
definitely.
download so that yeah. And when
Yes,
you upload that video on YouTube, you will upload this video on YouTube.
yes, definitely.
Yeah, yeah. So then send me the link, okay, so that I can see my communication skill. That is the main purpose. Otherwise, there is
Yes,
no any purpose. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay.
After
Yeah, sir.
after getting that video, I will share the link. Yeah, and definitely I will upload the video on my YouTube channel. Yeah, all right.
Okay. It is a nice conversation to you, sir. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
important time.
Thank you.